Looking to bring warmth and elegance into your home instantly? Meet the Dimplex DFR 25-inch plug-in electric firebox. The easiest way to add a realistic, glowing fire to any space. This firebox features lifelike LED flames that dance and flicker just like the real thing, all without smoke, ash, or cleanup. Setup? So simple. Just plug it in and enjoy. Whether you're upgrading your living room, bedroom, or office, this unit fits beautifully into any space. And with adjustable heat and flame brightness, you're in full control of your comfort year-round. Forget costly renovations and messy wood. The Dimplex Firebox gives you all the cozy vibes with none of the hassle. It's more than just heat. It's modern comfort made simple. Ready to transform your space with warmth and style? Order yours today, only at SAKSBY.com. Have questions? We're just a call away. Talk with a trusted expert Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-8447-175-044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.